Back at it again with another race vlog. Here we go again. Race vlog number 2. This time we're tackling motocross. I'm doing a motocross race this weekend, tomorrow. And if you watched Idaho, you know that didn't really go that great. And I want some redemption. My knee's feeling better, body's feeling good. I've been training a lot, and we're ready to go. So I went and did practice this morning, got a feel for the track. It went pretty good. And before we do any racing tomorrow, I have got to wash and do some maintenance on this guy. So let's get after it. Okay, so the races this weekend are at OCA. It's a track up in Ogden. It's the Utah Moto series. I think it's like round 7 or something like that. Hopefully it's kind of a little bit of a smaller series and maybe I can actually hang with the guys this time. But like I said, I got to do a little bit of maintenance. Now this is clean. There's a couple things that went weird with the bike. Nothing too crazy. One is that my rim lock got crooked somehow. So got to straighten that out. Put a new air filter in the bike and then get it loaded back up in here and get ready for tomorrow. So pretty excited, a little bit nervous, but I feel a little more confident than I did about the Cache Valley race, which is good. So let's get it done. Bike is looking clean. It's nice and clean and gonna get really dirty tomorrow because I'm sure I'm gonna get roosted lots. So yeah, we will see you at the track tomorrow. Okay, it's race day and I'm only mildly nervous. I wonder why. The bike is ready and I am doing the 450B class and the Vet B class, so the 30 plus class. I was hoping doing 2 classes they'd be kind of evenly spaced, but the 450B is one of the first races and the Vet B is the last race, which means I'm gonna have to turn around really fast and go do the second moto of 450B. So we'll just throw on the GoPro. I don't need to talk about it. We're just gonna throw on the GoPro and give her a send, I guess. So wish me luck. All right, here we go. This is 450B Moto 1, so it's a 2 moto format. And there was actually 3 different classes that were lined up on this gate. I believe there was a pro class, the intermediate, or the 450B intermediate, and the masters class. So I think that's like the 50 plus class. And I've never done a start on a gate, so I didn't really have high expectations for myself. And as you can see, I didn't get a great start, which I was okay with. But then I also got hung up on that first turn. So at least I'm getting used to starting in the back and kind of seeing if I can work my way forward. This class ended up being a lot of really fast dudes, and you'll see throughout, I didn't really have anything for them. I had the pace, but I didn't have anything extra to kind of catch them. So I wasn't really trying to hammer down too hard. I just wanted to ride safe and within my abilities and just kind of push myself a little bit. Then right there, finally on lap 2, I actually thought about cleaning my GoPro, so trying to give you guys a good view. And coming up here, you'll see there's 2 guys right in front of me. So there's a guy going through the turn right there and the one right in front of him. So little did I know that I would end up battling with these 2 guys in every single one of my motos. Turns out these guys I think they're kind of OCA natives. I think they ride this track a lot. But they ripped. They were good. And the other thing about it was they were older guys. They actually were in the 50 plus class as well as the 40 plus class and the 30 plus class. So yeah, they're just older dudes that just rip on a dirt bike, and I ended up seeing them every single race, ended up behind them or battling with them in some form. So I'm gonna let the GoPro play out here and enjoy it. Well, that wasn't an utter disaster. Not bad. I'm probably not a B rider still. I don't know why I keep thinking I am. I almost got that guy in front of me. But on to the next one. Okay, that completes moto vlog number 2. I had intentions of filming more and in between races and stuff, but I didn't, so you'll just have to deal with the GoPro, I guess. I'm sure you'll all be very disappointed. But I feel like I rode really well. I'm really happy with the day. I didn't crash. On the last moto, I finally beat the 2 old guys. I mean, you guys probably didn't know, but those 2 guys that one guy ended up behind every single time. He was pretty good, and but he was like, I think he was in the 50 plus class too. So he was an old dude and he rips. And I finally got him and another guy that I was kind of battling with on that last moto. So I'm pumped. Good day. I'm exhausted. So I'm just going to drive home and we're going to call that a wrap on moto vlog number 2. Oh, quick side note. I might have ended things a little bit prematurely. So I actually went to the tent to see how I did with my results. And in my vet B class, I got 6th, and 450B, boom, who would have thought? I got 2nd place. Had no idea. So I thought I rode good, and apparently I rode pretty good to get 2nd in the B class. So there you go. Now it's the end of the vlog.